Best deals.
1. Strainer. The tri-ply sandwich bottom ensures uniform heat distribution, preventing food from burning or sticking. It allows faster cooking while preserving essential nutrients, making it ideal for daily use. The stainless steel strainer blade makes draining water effortless without transferring food to another vessel. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Turntable. Is easily expandable. Extra trays, which are available separately, can be added. The Lazy Susan extension allows you to extend to any table size, also can handle high temperatures. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Funnel. Featuring a small square opening at the bottom with a sliding cover. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cutter. Effortlessly slice and core apples with the premium stainless steel apple cutter. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pepper shakers. Is an essential table accessory to add a touch of elegance to your dining experience. Each seasoning small salt shaker is 12 cm tall and 5 cm wide, with the capacity of 3.5 ounces and holding 100 ml spices. Perfect size for passing and easy storage. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Kadai. Premium 22-gauge stainless steel with a copper bottom resists warping, distributes heat evenly in copper bottom construction heats efficiently on gas stoves while the stainless steel blade maintains proper steam circulation. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Infuser. Crafted with the finest food-grade stainless steel, this tea infuser guarantees enduring use. Safe from toxins, it maintains your tea's pure taste and ensures a clean sip by effectively straining leaves and bags. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Kettle. Is made with premium stainless steel, built-in thermal conductive aluminum layer, featuring with great heat resistance, rust resistance, thermal conductivity, can quickly to make water boiled. Lightweight and durable tea kettle is convenient to use it anywhere. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Ceramic bowl. Features eye-catching blue and green mandala patterns that add a stylish touch to your table. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mesh. Space-saving solutions for keeping food fresh. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cylinder trolley. The caster wheel mobile tray is crafted with premium and durable plastic and metal, ensuring top-notch durability and reliability. With a remarkable max loading capacity of up to 200 kilograms. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Container. Stainless steel containers have a silicone ring that ensures an airtight and leak-proof seal to prevent any messy spills and lock in freshness. They also feature a shatter-resistant plastic lid that includes tabs for easy opening and closing. Leak-proof steel storage containers are made from premium quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Strainer. Featuring a zipping closure design, the straining bag allows for effortless cleaning and maintenance. The zipper enables you to easily open and detach the fabric, ensuring that even the smallest residues are washed away. Enjoy a pristine and hygienic straining bag every time you use it. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Laundry basket. This foldable laundry basket collapses flat when not in use, helping save valuable floor and cabinet space. Ideal as a compact clothes organizer for apartments, bedrooms, bathrooms, dorms, and everyday utility areas. Equipped with rolling caster wheels, this laundry basket with wheels moves effortlessly between rooms. The lockable design adds stability, making it a practical mobile laundry hamper for daily household use and transport. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Copper water pot. Made from high-quality copper for greater durability. Ergonomic, convenient size and with an easy-to-use, flip-top closure. Great option for personal use or gifting. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Curtain tea bags. With upgraded strong magnets, nickel-plated, covered by decorative weave rope to protect your draperies. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Lighter. Features a creative matchstick shape, making it a stylish and functional addition to your home. Ideal for lighting kitchen stoves, candles, incense, cigarettes, and various outdoor activities with ease and convenience. The extended handle keeps your hands safely away from the flame, providing a comfortable and secure grip during use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Paper cutter. This innovative foil paper cutter and wrap holder dispenser can effortlessly accommodate one roll of plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or parchment paper, along with a paper towel roll. Enjoy the convenience of easy access while maximizing space on your kitchen countertop. Organizer features a dual slot design with a built-in hidden sliding knife, ensuring clean and sharp cutting every time. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Paper towel holder. Equipped with a powerful suction base that sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like tiles, glass, marble, and wood. No drilling or tools required, provides anti-tilt stability during use. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish for durability, rust resistance. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Organizer. Durable and breathable cubes. Flexible and compact so you can pack the way you want to. The more you pack, the more space you have to pack more. Read that again. Cram in more while staying perfectly organized. Organizes your luggage, backpacks, drawers, wardrobes, and just about anything. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Infuser. Is BPA free, has food grade material and is eco-friendly. Made of durable premium brass. Perfect for quick brewing of tea in small or medium batches. Ideal for brewing green tea leaves, black tea leaves. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Glass jars. Made with premium BPA-free and lead-free food-grade glass, ensures long-lasting durability and offers a clear view of contents, preserving the freshness and integrity of stored food. The specially designed lid ensures an airtight seal, keeping contents fresh for longer and preventing any leaks. The unique recessed top allows for easy stacking. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Ice trays. Are made of hard plastic which makes round ice cube easier to release than silicone ice cube molds. After taking the mold out of the freezer, open the lid and slightly twist the tray to release the ice. This ball ice cube tray mold consists of one tray and a lid with small holes. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Filter paper bag. This portable coffee filter bag is made of non-woven fabric imported from Japan, without any chemicals and adhesives. No smell, the taste of extracted coffee is mellow. The material of this portable pour-over coffee filter bag is made of thick material, not easy to tear. High density, easy to filter fine powder. The edge of the disposable drip coffee filter bag is sealed with ultrasonic high frequency, which is tight and not easy to crack. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Strainer. Made from highly durable microfiber material, these cleaning clothes are built to last through heavy cleaning tasks. The microfiber fabric is ultra-absorbent, helping to pick up moisture quickly and dry rapidly so surfaces don't stay wet. Get 2 microfiber cleaning clothes in each package, providing plenty of clothes to handle cleaning throughout your home. The soft microfiber is gentle enough for cleaning delicate surfaces like glass, screens, appliances and more without causing scratches or streaks. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Egg cracker. Quickly and cleanly crack eggs without the hassle of shells breaking into your dish. Small and easy to store, perfect for any kitchen size. Made with quality materials, this tool is built to last and is easy to rinse after use. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Chopper. Premium stainless steel blades deliver quick, uniform, and precise cutting for vegetables, fruits, cheese, and other ingredients while minimizing preparation time. Comes with a spacious 1.2L storage container to collect chopped ingredients and a draining basket for washing and straining vegetables before cooking. Easy to use and clean, designed for hassle-free operation with detachable accessories that are easy to clean after use. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Pizza cutter. The ergonomic non-slip handle fits perfectly your hand and finger protective guard will provides you with safety, stability. Cut your delicious homemade pizza with ease and comfort. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Water can. Designed for storing drinking water during camping, road trips, picnics, hiking, trekking, and daily home use. The transparent water storage container makes it easy to check the water level. Practical water container with tap includes a sturdy faucet and flexible tube for smooth water dispensing. Suitable as a portable water container, water dispenser can, water can for home, kitchen, office, camping, and travel. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Dutch. Designed for healthier meals, the enameled cast iron surface allows cooking with less oil while retaining natural flavors and nutrients. The premium enamel coating eliminates the need for regular seasoning, making it convenient and easy to use right from the first cook. Durable enamel coating inside and outside protects the cookware from rust, ensures easy cleaning, and maintains long-lasting performance. Heavy-duty cast iron construction distributes heat evenly and retains heat for longer. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Faucet filter. Crafted with premium PC material and intuitive construction and design, ensuring the lifespan and durability, providing you and your families a consistent clean and safe water for every day. The intuitive design of this water softener for home allows you a hassle-free usage and installation. Its high-performance design ensures a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements and making it a cost-efficient solution for improving water quality. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Toilet brush. Silicone toilet brush and holder. The flat and pointed brush head is designed to better clean all corners of the toilet bowl by bending the brush head to different angles. The durable compact hidden toilet brush and holder is better to clean corners and crevices by bending the brush head to different angles. PP plus TPR silicone doesn't hurt the toilet glaze. To clean toilet, bathtubs, wash basins and sink, suitable for all ceramic plastic glass surfaces. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Organizer. These unique shoe stands work everywhere, in closets, on shelves, or even on the floor. Double-layer shoe racks are perfect for all types of shoes from stiletto heels to sneakers. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Strainer. Features a strong self-adhesive backing that makes installation quick and hassle-free, requiring no additional tools or adhesives. Comes with a scraper tool to help press and smooth the mesh firmly onto surfaces. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Watering can. Specially designed plastic handle for better grip and comfortable use. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Shredder machine. Ideal for home, office, school, factory, shop to destroy important or unimportant, confidential or ordinary papers instantly. This small and convenient paper cutter is made with durable plastic and is attached to a transparent dust box to help reduce messes. Cut and shred paper documents with ease. You don't even need to plug it in. Simply crank it with your hand to shred any paper in seconds. This mini personal shredder is a great little machine to keep at your desk. You can shred any document without having to leave your chair. Its durable yet basic design is ideal for an office environment. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Food processor. The power of 6 essential kitchen tools into one compact device. Use it as a blender, juicer, atta kneader, vegetable slicer, chopper, and dry grinder. Whether you are preparing smoothies, kneading dough, chopping veggies, or grinding spices, this all-in-one appliance does it all with professional precision, making it the ultimate companion for every home chef. Powerful 800-watt motor for high-performance results. With its robust 800-watt copper motor, the Easy Prep tackles everything from soft fruits to tough dough effortlessly. Designed for long-lasting durability, the motor ensures high-speed processing and consistent output. Whether you're whisking, slicing, or grinding, this processor delivers powerful and efficient performance every time. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Coconut Scraper. 3-liter stainless steel drum allows you to grind sufficient quantities for family meals, making it ideal for preparing idli, dosa, and vada batters. Includes top wiper for smooth grinding, spatula, dough hook, and additional attachments for versatile food preparation. Batter dispatch tabletop wet grinder with compact, space-saving design and stable base with anti-slip feet for secure operation. Features high-quality stainless steel grinding chamber and robust motor housing in white finish, designed for long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Its stainless steel grinding chamber and durable grinding stones deliver superior results, producing silky smooth batters that rival those made by hand. The compact white design with sturdy base ensures stability during operation, whilst the included accessories, replacement grinding stones, spatula, and various attachments, provide everything you need to get started. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Food Dehydrator. The food dehydrator removes excess water from foods without compromising their natural juices, taste, and nutrients, boasting a 97% retention rate of vitamins and minerals. Comes with 5 food-grade stainless steel height-adjustable trays that allow you to dry different foods, fruits, and veggies at once. The trays can be stacked with a clearance of 1.5 cm or 2.8 cm as per the thickness of the food. The dehydrator is equipped with a control panel that allows you to set a timer and adjust the temperature with a simple touch of a button. You can set the temperature between 35 degrees approximately 70 degrees Celsius and timer from 30 minutes 48 hours with 30 minutes interval, depending on your food dehydration requirements. To clean, simply remove the trays from the machine and wash them using soapy water. Dehydrate fruits, vegetables, herbs, meat, and more while keeping natural flavor and nutrients. Make healthy homemade snacks without additives, preservatives, or artificial ingredients. Temperature range 35 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius lets you dry different foods at the ideal heat level. Suitable for fruits, vegetables, herbs, meat jerky, fish, yogurt, and bread. The 400W circulating airflow system ensures consistent heat distribution for fast and even drying, helping preserve taste, color, and nutrients in every batch. Simple operation with durable stainless steel trays and compact design. Ideal for making dried fruits, vegetable chips, herb seasoning, and healthy snacks for home kitchens. Dehydrator machine is designed to help you make healthy, natural dried foods at home. With its 400W powerful heating system and circulating airflow, it removes moisture evenly while preserving the taste, color, and nutrients of your food. It is perfect for drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, meat, fish, yogurt, and bread, allowing you to prepare delicious homemade snacks without additives or preservatives. Spacious trays made from durable stainless steel, allowing you to dry different types of food at the same time. Each tray can hold up to 1 kilogram of food, making it ideal for family use or batch preparation. The adjustable tray height gives you flexibility to dry thicker foods easily. The machine includes adjustable temperature control from 35 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, so you can select the right heat level for different foods. Whether you are making dried fruits, vegetable chips, herbs, or jerky, the dehydrator ensures consistent drying results every time. Use your dried fruits and vegetables to create healthy snacks, cake decorations, cocktail garnishes, or toppings for ice cream and desserts. With its modern black and silver design, this dehydrator fits perfectly in any kitchen while providing reliable food preservation. Food dehydrator removes moisture from food to aid in its preservation and uses a heat source and airflow to reduce the water content of foods. Product link is given in the 39th link.